basically what I want to do is show you the process of me moving into this apartment, just kind of showing you like what it looks like before and what it looks like afterwards. Today I plan on just unpacking some more of my stuff and putting them on hangers. I have some depop clothes I need to take pictures of and find a way to organize them because my two roommates are going to be shipping stuff out from New York when I go back home in Washington. So I just need to kind of figure out a good organizational system. I want to start cleaning down the walls. I wiped down the floors. I probably will do that one more time though. I want to wipe down the walls and start hanging up some of my posters and pictures and whatever, and just making it feel a little bit more homey. But yeah, I plan on making a video kind of separate to this about finding an apartment in New York or just finding an apartment in general, because during the whole process it wasn't very complicated, but I did feel like a little baby the entire time until signing the lease. Even while we were signing the lease, literally felt like infants. But I kind of wanted to talk about how like I personally went about that and like tips I have for finding an apartment and finding an agent that can help you. But that's just going to be a separate video just because I feel like that'd be a more niche video to people who are art students or college students in New York who are looking for places. But before I ramble too much further on, let me show you what it's looking like right now with a little bit of my stuff moved in, and I'll show you what I'm going to be working on today, just cleaning and whatever else. So this is basically the long hallway going into my room, and as you go in, there's the little window in my backyard. There's that little furnace, super cute. Two colored hardwood. I'd probably most definitely be putting my bed over that. And then I have this weird little like indent in the wall. It's probably like the vent system. It has a little storage. I think I'm gonna put a plant there. And then that's my little closet area with another window and vent. Pretty high ceilings. I had to stand on something to get my little shoe organizer on there. And then these were already with the apartment. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping them or not. I kind of just put them in there to see what it looks like. And here is all my stuff that I need to start moving in. I have that little plastic organizer right here. And then I have my suitcase and my portfolio bag and some like studio lighting. This is the minimal closet space I have right now. I'm kind of considering putting another rack right under it. Another one of those, but depending on what I end up keeping under here, I don't know if that'll work. And then I have this storage up here, which I currently just like stack some depop clothes on. I need to find a better way to organize them, probably putting them onto this little guy right here. This is me lofting my bed, and I still haven't really cleaned up from when I did that, just because I have some stuff laying around. But it gave me a lot more space to have my bed up here, and then some storage stuff down below where I'll keep depop clothes, and just other things I'm going to store here over the summer break. That piece is just laying around from an extra part, but it really cleared out some of the storage I have underneath.